In today's video, we will talk about how to contact Skrill support. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. First, you're going to log in your account. After that, click your profile icon, scroll down, and you're gonna see Help Center. Click the Help Center. In the bottom, you're gonna see additional support, then click Chat with Sophia. Then you're gonna start typing what you need. Getting help from Skrill support is easy with the variety of contact options available. Whether you prefer speaking directly with an agent via live chat, getting help through email, or finding answers on social media or forums, Skrill provides flexible support channels. Always remember to have your account details handy when contacting customer service, as this will help speed up the process. If your issue is urgent or security related, contacting them through their most direct channels, live chat or phone, is recommended for the fastest response. I hope you learned about the video. Thank you for watching.